Very desirable Quail Valley community in Minneola. Over 1550 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths and 2-car garage. New roof, 2018. Water heater and air conditioner recently replaced. Large master bedroom with walk-in closet and shower with separate garden tub. Open floor plan with volume ceilings is great for entertaining. The community has a playground and is walkable with sidewalks and street lights throughout. Homes in this neighborhood sell quickly, so call today to see your new home before it is gone.